Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to show you how to move your mouse using the keypad in Windows 10. This feature can be incredibly useful for individuals who may have difficulty using a traditional mouse or trackpad. So let's get started. Step 1. First, click on the Start button located at the bottom left corner of your screen. Then, select Settings from the menu that appears. Step 2. In the Settings menu, look for and click on the option labeled Ease of Access. This will open a new window with various accessibility settings. Step 3. Once you're in the Ease of Access menu, navigate to the left side menu and click on Mouse under the title Interaction. This will take you to the mouse settings. Step 4. Now, within the mouse settings, you'll find an option called Control your mouse with a keypad. Toggle the switch to the on position to enable this feature. Step 5. Congratulations! You can now move your mouse pointer using the arrows, left, right, up, down, on your numeric keypad. Simply press the corresponding arrow key to move the mouse pointer in the desired direction. This alternative method of controlling the mouse pointer can be especially helpful for those with limited mobility or dexterity. It provides a more accessible way to navigate and interact with your computer. And that's it! You've successfully learned how to move your mouse using the keypad in Windows 10. We hope this tutorial has been helpful to you. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more Windows 10 tips and tutorials.